Now, if you look at page 15 in your packets, you will see in example 3 an equation in point slope. Well, they give you an equation. They want you to write, they give you a graph, and they'd like you to write the equation of this line in point slope form. So there's 2 points that they clearly identify on this line. From those 2 points, I find the slope. Now, what's interesting is I have a point, 2 points, and a slope. So I can give 2 different equations in point slope form. I can say y plus 3 equals 5/6 times x plus 2. And I can say y minus 2 equals 5/6 times x minus 4. Now, I am going to change both of these equations, because you notice, although it's extremely easy to get into point slope form, it's not very practical to have a form where, because I picked a different point, I got a completely different equation. So although we like point slope form because it's quick and easy to get into, once we're in point slope form, we're always going to change it to either standard form or slope intercept form. So I'm going to change this equation into standard form. Now, standard form does not have any fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply every term by 6. Then I'm going to distribute. I'm going to get the x on the same side as the y and the constant on the other side. And then I'm going to notice I can't stop because standard form, a is positive. So I'll multiply both sides by -1. And now I have standard form. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to multiply everything by 6. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides and add 12 to both sides. And then I'm going to make sure that a is positive. Now, notice once I put it in standard form, I get the exact same equation, which makes sense because it's one line. It should have one equation.